People think this aren't a big deal. You tell us how dangerous they actually are. Ready?
Yep.
I'll deal with the suspension later.
Oh, that's a 10 out of 10 right there. Dealing with the suspension later, that's a recipe for disaster because you could get arrested if you're driving during that suspension period. An officer can stop you and potentially arrest you.
I only drove to work, like 15 minutes.
That's like a 9 out of 10 because again, if you have a suspended license, 15 minutes doesn't really matter. It's that you were on the road, that you were driving, and your license was suspended. It doesn't matter how long. An officer can still arrest you as long as you're on the road.
I pleaded guilty just to get over with.
Oh, that's a 10 out of 10. If you're just going to plead guilty just to get it over with, then you're not understanding all the consequences that can happen with pleading guilty, right? Not only is there getting a criminal conviction on your record, but again, with an OUI or an operating with a suspended license, it could mean a suspended license for months, years, you know?
What is the most dangerous one?
I think it was that last one, getting it over with, right? Because now you're kind of making assumptions about what could happen, how it could affect you. I think it's important to have a professional, especially an attorney, so that way they can walk you through everything. They can tell you all the potential consequences. Like earlier I mentioned, a guilty conviction or R&B consequence. I think it's important to know what you're walking into instead of just making an assumption.